एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today, 9th November, we are celebrating Legal Services Day. National Legal Services Day is observed in India on 9th November every year to commemorate the enactment of the Legal Services Authority Act 1987. Every citizen of India, regardless of their socio-economic background, is entitled to receive equal justice under Article 39A of the Constitution of India. The preamble of the Constitution of India specifies the object to secure justice, social, economic and political. Legal aid scheme was first introduced by Justice Bhagwati under the Legal Aid Committee formed in 1971. In the spirit of this vision, Legal Services Authority Act 1987 has been enacted, which enlisted specific categories of people who shall be entitled to free legal services. The legal services authorities constituted under this act at the national, state, district and taluka levels assist in facilitating access to justice to the marginalized and weaker section of our society. With this aim in hand to provide access to justice for all, the Goa State Legal Services Authority is working to reach out to such masses and renders necessary legal services to the disempowered sections of the society. Goa State Legal Services Authority also conducts various awareness activities to bridge the gap between the legally available benefits and beneficiaries. Categories of persons entitled for free legal services are mentioned in section 12 of the Legal Services Authority Act 1987. They are as follows: women, child, members of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, victims of trafficking, mass disaster, beggars, persons with disability, persons under circumstances of undeserved want, such as being victim of ethnic violence, caste atrocity, flood, drought, earthquake or industrial disaster, or an industrial workman, or person in custody, or person having income annually below 3 lakhs, and if the court is of Supreme Court, then the annual income is rupees 5 lakh. Person in need of free legal aid services and who is entitled for free legal aid services can contact Goa State Legal Services Authority having office at Parvali in the High Court premises, North Goa District Legal Services Authority at Panji at Alpino, South Goa District Legal Services Authority at Margao in District Court at Margao, and all Taluka Legal Services Committees in various civil courts at Panji, Bicholi, Perne, Ponda, Valpoi, Margao, Sangeng, Kepe and Kandgona. The Legal Services Authority Act 1987 was enacted in 1987 and it came into force on 9th November 1995. For this reason, we celebrate 9th November as Legal Services Day. Now, functions of legal services institutions are to provide free and competent legal services to the weaker sections of the society and to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen because of economic or other disabilities. Other function is to organize Lok Adalats for amicable settlement of disputes and to promote alternate dispute redressal methods such as mediation, arbitration, conciliation. The other function is to create legal awareness about the rights of the weaker and marginalized sections of the society, undertaking social justice litigations, etc. One more function is to implement the schemes and policy directions of NALSA to strategic and preventive legal services programs. Under these legal awareness camps and programs which we undertake, we see that the schemes which are beneficial to various sections of the society are explained to the people, and they are given the services of various schemes and policies of the government, such as we help the people in getting themselves registered for UDID registration for persons with disability, e-Shram cards for workers in unorganized sectors. Even we facilitate the registration of e-Pehchan cards for e-weavers with the help of Directorate of Handicrafts, Textile and Coir. Providing legal representation before courts and tribunals through engagement of panel lawyers in civil and criminal cases is not only the function of this authority, but we also try to give them legal advice and assistance through our front offices. And panel lawyers and paralegal volunteers are there to help the beneficiaries. Legal assistance at pre-arrest, arrest and remand stage is also given. Lok Adalats are conducted throughout Goa. It is time-bound Lok Adalat and also national Lok Adalats, and many cases are referred and settled by this alternate dispute redressal mode. We also help the parties to undergo mediation process to settle their disputes. Pre-litigation matters are also settled at the mediation level and also at Lok Adalat stage. This authority also creates legal awareness by spreading legal literacy through legal awareness camps, print media, digital media, and we have also started senior citizen cell in our authority office, which is at High Court, Parwari. In this senior citizen cell, we try to help out senior citizens who approaches our authority with their various issues. With the help of Elderline Helpline, we try to redress their grievances, and also panel lawyers and pro bono lawyers who are working under this authority helps the senior citizen to redress their grievances. Besides, the dedicated special cell with help desk set up at our authority to help the senior citizens to resolve their disputes. We also have E-Seva Kendra, which helps the litigants and advocates to file their cases digitally online. We have our toll-free number 1516 and 15100, and also helpline numbers and a dedicated mobile number on which the litigant or any person can contact this authority. We have also organized various awareness programs by Virtual Judicare series on YouTube, giving information on various subjects or laws to the public in large. We have also published newsletter on our website, which is available to the public, whereby the public gets the knowledge of the activities conducted by us. Those who are in need of legal aid services or legal advice, or to file cases in courts, they can approach our authority or District Legal Services Authority or Taluka Legal Services Committee at any time during office hours, and they can take help of panel lawyers or retainer advocates to sort out their grievances, and also take their assistance to file their cases in the courts or to defend them in the cases. On behalf of Goa State Legal Services Authority, I once again greet you on this occasion of Legal Services Day. Thank you one and all.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण
न्यायालयातल्या कारवाई खातीर बरो वकील मेळोवन दिता.
वेळार योग्य कायद्या खालची मदत आणि सल्लो दिता.
लोक अदालत द्वारा चड काळच्या केसीक बेगीन सोपयता.
आणि ते बी सामके मोफत.
राष्ट्रीय न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण, बेस बरो न्याय, बेस बरो समाज.
अधिक माहिती खातीर लागच्या न्यायालयातल्या न्यायिक सेवा प्राधिकरण कार्यालया लागीं संपर्क करात
वा टोल फ्री नंबर 1510 चेर फोन करात.